Hi YouTube, or whoever's watching this. But I heard someone. This is my EDC for summer. So this is just a top box, kind of small, dinky, or however you want to pronounce it. And it's too small for me. Maybe for like traveling, maybe. But I did find my old school bag. Of course, that's a the strap is off a tool bag. This is my old school bag from like Hot Topic. I don't think you can get these anymore. I cleaned and everything, and yeah, you can transfer it into a backpack. So I thought it was pretty good, and I figured let's make this a EDC bag, huh? Let's get to it. Step 1, find all your pens. I'm like my mom, I'm a pen hoarder. So I have lots of pens. And I like these pens right here, these Bic grip rollers. I think you get for like maybe like $5 or $10 off Amazon. It's the only place I've found it. Of course, with my pens, I keep this little Milwaukee flashlight. Kind of expensive. I think that was like $30. And the most expensive flashlight I ever owned right here is the Bushnell rechargeable. It's about $80. I use that for home purpose, and it stays charged pretty long. I do carry my other Bushnell. This one has a light, night vision red. That's what it says, and blood tracker. That helps me a lot too. Tactical pen. It's a flashlight, a pen, bottle opener, and a flathead screwdriver, and a wrench. I just now noticed that. I took the batteries out of the flashlight because the flashlight was pretty crappy. Well, that's what you get for $3 on Amazon. Then this man, I keep another flashlight, a double A. It's just police security light. This is my notebook. That's my job notebook. If I have any questions for my boss or any concerns, I write it in there. This notebook, I carry this notebook. I write down all what I pay on my credit card. Of course, my chromebook. I think I'm making this video too long. I got a book, nail clippers, good charger right here. Now, this I forgot to show you. It's my charger for my Fitbit. But we're gonna see where we can put all this stuff. So I know my pens, ones I use mostly, can go right here. I get one in real quick. Alright, got my pens in there. This one right here, it's like a Sharpie pen. And it's just a cheap pen I just found. Actually, my boss gave it to me. But I did find my old pouch. I used to keep it out my bug out bag to carry your phone. I'm gonna put all my pens in there. My tactical pen, I'm gonna put in this pouch. clip it on like that. Be right back. My charge, yeah, this is about $60. It's got fast charge clip. Be right back. Now I'm gonna downsize on my flashlight. The two I'm taking are my small ones. I'm gonna put them in this little small bag. There you go. All fits in there. Let's move back to the bag. Alright, putting this. I'm gonna put this in the main pocket. My book, just a cheap book. I read this like 10 times. Gonna put it in here. My iPad mini. I think I gotta charge that. Nail clips. I'm gonna put in this little zip up pocket. My notebook in here. My little notebook. I'm gonna put in this bag. Sorry if I'm rushing. My phone acts up if I take too long on my videos. My Chromebook, I'll put it right here. So, that's my EDC bag. And I decided I really want this because it's helpful. Oh, I forgot something. I'll go get it. Forgot my hard candies, lost lifesavers, my hard drive, some moist towels, hand sanitizer, my favorite pen, it's just a small little pen, and a face mask, and a first aid kit. Sorry. That's pretty much it, my school EDC bag. It fits like that. I think I'm going to fix the straps. But thank you for watching. Bye.